You hear that?
What, something jump?
Yeah.
Something big?
Something big.
Something big out there? I think he's got it. I think he's got it. Got him. There we go. I'm all strapped up. Look at this. I got straps on straps right now. I can't even. There we go. Another strap. There we go. Alright guys, welcome back. We're fishing well, I just fell down into the water. We're doing a little private pond action right now. Today we're gonna be throwing little tubes, and Owen, you're gonna be throwing Ned rig. Setup is just 8-pound fluoro tied to a little tube, little brown tube that we're gonna be bouncing off the bottom. We're gonna be targeting some post-spawn largemouth. Supposedly there's like 6-pounders in here, so my job is to show you how to get those big boys. So let's get after it.
Oh, the bass is going for it.
The bass is going for it.
Oh. He got it.
You got it? Got him.
Oh, he's off. He's coming back for it. He's looking at it.
Here we go. Toss right back, yeah. These bass are so insanely hungry, it's unreal. Oh, he hit it. He hit it. What the heck, man? Oh. Wow, these bass are insane. Oh, he's kind of dark. Let's see him. Not too big, but they're aggressive though. Little guy. That big one's gonna come around too. Usually guys, when you're reeling in a smaller fish, it attracts the big ones. And if you're fishing with somebody else, they can usually toss it behind and catch the big one that follows it in. I know.
Because like the shots I'm getting, I'm looking at this dude, like it's like they're so clean looking.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Just gonna hammer it. Just gonna wait till it falls. Guys, it waits till it falls and then they hammer it. Oh! Oh yeah, this is a big one. Yep, there we go. Oh, spit it, no. Spit it.
No.
All right, so we're gonna show you guys exactly how I tie these tubes. It's a little pro trick for you. I'll show you exactly what we're doing here. All right, so what I'm using is 8-pound fluoro, and instead of using the expensive, you know, typical tube jigs that you would get, like this, like so. All I do is go to the store and get a regular jig head like this. You can get probably 3 times the amount for the same price. So then what I'm using is the Gitsits, this little, I don't know what color they have here. This is usually the tube that I use.
It's like pumpkin.
Yeah, I know it's brown.
Yeah.
I don't know what color it is. Let's see. Oh, it's brown craw. That's the color I use. Right there. Yeah, brown craw. Alright, so how I put this on. Tube out. And then just stick it through. You have to put the tube or the jig through first before you put the line on. I've made that mistake before too. So just put that through like that. Feed it through. Make sure the tentacles are all, sometimes they fall off. Right there, all the way up to the top. Push that through. Tie your line through and you're all good. And come out. Pull it through. Twist it around 5 times. 1, 2, and then pull the line through that hole right there. Pull it through and then wet it up with your saliva so you don't burn the line. And just pull it right, nice and easy, right there. Give it a nice little tug, and you're all set. Just cut off that little tag end.
I get it. Tag in.
Yeah. I'm gonna toss her out. Oh, here comes one. Here comes one. Okay, he picked it up, picked it up, picked it up. Boom, on. See that? Even when, yeah, there we go. Even when I put that tube all the way back in the skirt, or in the tube, still set the hook on him. Right in the top of the mouth. Right there. See that? Comes right through the tube, right there. That's nice. That's nice. That's what happens too when you catch the bass in the school like that. It really stirs them up. Come on, get this out. If I can get this out, I can catch them.
You want me to toss on you?
What?
You want me to toss my line?
Yeah, hang on. I want to get a few shots so you can catch them one too.
Alright, sweet.
Hang on. Alright.
There we go.
Come here. Yeah. Oh, he's splashing like crazy. Oh my gosh. He's going nuts. Oh. Got him. Not the big boy we were after, but this little guy hit it just now. Look at that. Little guy. Alright guys, so what you saw here, pick this thing up again. It's a little torn up now. It's about 5 or 6 fish into this thing. These tubes right here, I showed you how to work it when there's not a lot of vegetation, and then how to make it weedless too. You just pull that hook right behind that little skirt right there, and then it becomes weedless, and you'll be able to get guys just like this. Obviously we didn't get the size that we wanted today, but it's still a lot of fun. We got some good numbers. Let's get it back in. It's a chunky little fish too. Oh, slapped me.
Alright kids, welcome to Bassing with Owen.
Yeah,
Cameraman.
right.
Today we're going to be catching largemouth by tossing in right in front of their face.
Oh dude, he already picked it up. He already picked it up. That was 2 seconds.
Spit it, alright. And we are out.
We're done.
That's how you catch bass in 2 seconds. This is Owen, back to Tom.